Hi everyone, my name is Chris Morales. Welcome to our Lightboard video series. I'm one of the product marketing managers here at Gigamon, and we're going to be talking a little bit today about encrypted traffic inspection and why it's so critical for a mature security posture. So for our demonstration today, we're going to talk a little bit about a cyber attack, but we're going to assume that the attacker has already gained access to your network. First, they need to maintain persistence. How are they doing that? Maybe they're communicating with this known malicious command and control server that's out here. Maybe they're using a technique called DNS over HTTPS or DOH. They can do this leveraging, maybe they're using port 443 in order to do so. This allows them to remain encrypted and remain hidden while they're doing this and downloading these command and control tools. Once they've done that, or they're going to move laterally. If they're moving laterally, now they're proliferating across your network. Again, leveraging encrypted channels, leveraging data encryption in order to stay hidden. Now, what we're actually finding is that most east-west traffic is encrypted. In fact, a recent Zscaler report found that 80% of cybercriminal attacks are using encrypted channels. This is up from 57% just last year. So they know that if they use encrypted channels, they can, in effect, remain undetected inside the network. So once they've moved laterally, now they need to escalate their privileges. This is when they're going to try to steal those crown jewels, so to speak, that really sensitive information. Maybe they get access to an application server. Maybe they get access to a client server that's out there. And once these have been compromised, this is when they'll move on to the next stage and the final stage, which is when they will exfiltrate that data and they're going to steal your information. Now, the reason why I'm using the dashed lines here is really because we, in effect, have no means to see what's happening once the attacker is inside the network. With Gigamon's TLS decryption tools, what we allow you to do is we allow your security teams to get visibility into these actions, into exfiltration, into lateral movement, into maintaining persistence, privilege escalation. This is why it's so critical for a mature security program to have that capability to inspect this encrypted traffic. Now, what we can do is once that traffic is decrypted, we can then, because we know that you have to comply with certain regulations that stipulate data has to be encrypted. Encrypted data is not inherently secure. In order to comply with certain regulations, you need to use that encrypted data. But to maintain that mature security posture, you need to be able to re-encrypt it once your security operations teams have inspected that traffic. So we offer you the capability to re-encrypt that traffic so that you can, in effect, send the data encrypted back to where it needs to go in order to maintain compliance. Now, this is all part of our TLS decryption tool, which is part of our deep observability pipeline. For more information about Gigamon's deep observability pipeline, check out the rest of our Lightboard series or go to gigamon.com. Thanks for watching.